To perform any rotation, you first of all need to know that this direction is clockwise and this direction is anti-clockwise. You then need to use tracing paper. You can do this in an exam as well. We start by putting the tracing paper over the shape, like this. We then need to trace the shape onto the tracing paper, like this. We're told that it's rotating about the point 0, 0. So you need to put your pencil point or compass point on 0, 0. We now need to rotate our tracing paper 90 degrees clockwise about our point, like this. If the question asks for a 180 degree rotation, it would be here, but we've been asked for 90. So it's here. We now use our compass point or pencil point to stab each corner of the shape. We then remove the tracing paper and join the marks together to get our answer, which should be here. This is the final answer to our question. Here's a question for you to try. Press pause and copy the diagram out, then have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. In this exam question, I'm asked to describe the single transformation that takes this shape onto this shape. I can see immediately that it's not an enlargement, it's not a reflection, and it's not a translation, so it must be a rotation. I would get 1 mark for this. I now need to find the centre of rotation and the angle of rotation. To do this, I'm going to use tracing paper. I'm going to trace the shape ABCD onto the tracing paper. I now need to make a guess as to where I think the centre of rotation might be and put my compass point or pencil point there. I'm going to start with a guess at 0, 0. Now I'm going to rotate my tracing paper to see if this centre of rotation will work. We can see that this centre isn't going to be right. So I'm now going to try a different centre of rotation, here. By moving my tracing paper again, I can see that this one won't work either. So I'm now going to try another centre, 0, 1 this time. We can see that this one works. So the centre of rotation was 0, 1, and we moved the tracing paper through 90 degrees in a clockwise direction. So my full answer is a rotation 90 degrees clockwise with centre 0, 1. Here's a question for you to try. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. This time, because the rotation is through 180 degrees, you could do it clockwise or anti-clockwise, so you don't need to put a direction. If you have, though, your answer is still correct.